Easy hairstyles for summer? In today's video, I'll show you 5 beautiful summer hairstyles that are quick to create, comfortable to wear, and perfect for keeping your hairstyle. Let's get started! 1. Take a small section of hair from each side and create 2 mini braids. Bring both braids together with the rest of your hair, braid everything into one beautiful 3-strand braid, and finish with a cute bow for the perfect sweet summer hairstyle. 2. Gather the hair at the upper back of your head. Twist it into a knot and secure it with a flower claw clip for a chic, effortless summer look. 3. Gather all your hair at the back and secure it with small rubber bands, adding them section by section until you reach the ends. Finish by placing a claw clip at the top for a stylish summer look. 4. Create 2 mini braids, one on each side of your head. Gather all your hair at the back and tie it into a ponytail. Then, wrap the ponytail into a neat bun and secure it with a hair tie for a cute and effortless summer hairstyle. 5. Leave a few face-framing strands at the front. Then create 2 mini braids, one on each side. Bring the braids together at the top and braid them into a single braid using a small section of hair, leaving the rest of your hair down for a soft, effortless look. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite hairstyle in the comments. See you in the next video!